Hey everyone, it's Joy here, and I'm excited to share these super cute arched desk calendars. They come in sugar cube and in toffee, and I'm going to show you both of those. So here is that 2027 arched desk calendar in toffee and in sugar cube. I'm using the Arch Nouveau dies. And I'm using the Seasonal Scenes layering stencil, and there's 4 layers to this. We are going to be creating 4 holidays. Our first one here is Christmas, and I'm going to do Christmas, Halloween, Easter, and 4th of July. So for Christmas, I am starting with Cupcake ink. So I'm going to be using Cupcake, Cherry Pop, Mint Julep, and Spearmint. And so you can see I have a little piece covering where one of the tree pieces is going to be, because I didn't want to color that pink. I'm going to use Mint Julep for that. So I'm just using low tack tape to kind of mask off areas that I can, so that way I can just color them without getting all the other colors mixed. So again, there's 4 layers. I'm using the little register marks, the little squares. So I inked that up so I know exactly where I want to place my stencils, and everything is lining up. That second layer was Cherry Pop. Again, I masked off the tree. I'm going to bring back in that Mint Julep and ink blend that. And I am doing this on pieces of sugar cube cardstock. I just have them in A2 size pieces. You could do this with a full sheet if you wanted. It was just easier for me to do it this way. So now I'm using Spearmint. This is going to finish off the rest. The third layer was more of the Mint Julep, and then we finished that one. Okay, so we're going to set that aside and we're going to work on our Halloween. I am using candy corn, sweet corn, and poppy seed. So there's cute bats, a moon, stars, and 3 different jack-o'-lanterns with different faces. And some of the stars are going to be yellow, some will be orange, some will be black. And I'm just doing whatever feels fun. You've got these darling bats on there that you're going to stencil, the fun little moon. This is just a fun little stencil, and these arched calendars are so cute. Let's add sweet corn for the moon. We are using candy corn for the pumpkins. And then of course, poppy seed is going to be our black color. So now we've got our 3rd stencil here. We're getting that pumpkin in. And you can see I'm just using some low tack tape to kind of mask off the edges where I don't want to get, it won't be an issue with your dies. But if you're using the larger arch die, you want to make sure you're not getting ink really close next to that, because when you die cut it out, you don't want a little tiny bit of an image from one of the other stencil layers. So we finished off with poppy seed. Now we're doing 4th of July. So I did a little bit different. I went mulled wine, blue cheese, and buttercream frosting. And I really love how this turned out. I wanted to go lighter blue, deeper red. And then the buttercream, as far as the white goes, that's why I wanted to use that. So that was our first layer with mulled wine. Here is that blue cheese ink. It's such a fun color. I love it. The last 2 stencils, I am going to be using buttercream. Now, buttercream is a pigment ink, so get your blender brush that maybe you use for the sugar cube, clean it off with maybe some alcohol, and use that brush for that. So that's what I'm doing here. It's a little bit of a thicker ink. I'm just wiping off my stencils before I even remove them. It just makes it so much easier. And I'm going to do that last layer. And again, I'm going to do that in buttercream. Then our final one is going to be Easter, which is really cute. And so for Easter, I'm using macaron, rose water, banana cream pie, and honeydew melon. So let's start with rose water, and that's going to be for our bunny and some of the eggs. This just comes together so cute. And you could do a lot more colors. You could mask off a lot more of the images, but I was trying to mainly use 1 color per stencil. Some of that was changed up a little bit, but that's just kind of how I was stenciling. Let's use the macaron for this. And I'm using the Bitty blender brushes. I like those when you have more of the smaller images. I feel like I just have a little bit more control that way. And then I'm just wiping that off. How cute is that Easter basket? Then let's bring in some banana cream pie. What a fun yellow color. And then our final color is honeydew melon for the whole scheme of things. But for the little face, I brought in poppy seed because I started to take this off and went, oh wait, no, I got to do the face. So I laid that back over. I'm going to just mask off some of those areas and then again, bring in the poppy seed. So now all of our backgrounds or all of our stenciling is done. Let's do the die cutting. I am going to use the smaller die to die cut around, but if you want more white around your images, use the larger die and you will get that. The smaller die is going to die cut really close to all of the images, but I want that because I want to use the larger die as a layering die with some matching colored cardstock. So I'm just going to line this up, tape it in place, run all 4 of these through my die cut machine, and then I'm going to die cut the larger die from my colored cardstock. So that would be mint julep, blue cheese, candy corn, and honeydew melon. So I'm going to coordinate all of those, and again I use the larger die for that. So let's glue that together. So here's the blue cheese cardstock for our 4th of July, honeydew melon for our Easter, candy corn for Halloween, and then mint julep for our Christmas one. And then I'm going to adhere all of these to our backgrounds, but first I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of ink blending around the edges. So April, for Easter I used rose water. For 4th of July, I'm using blue cheese. I love that blue. For Halloween, I'm using candy corn. And for Christmas, I am using cherry pop. And then I can just get these adhered on. Let's do our last one, and then we can take a look at these up close because they turned out so cute. And then let's place that down. How fun is this? Okay, here is our Easter one. I love it. What a fun little stencil. Our 4th of July. And again, these are the sugar cube colored arch calendars. And then these are the Toffee ones. So here's our fun October and then our December. So cute. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. You can find all of these products at the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com.